So today we are going to make a pineapple upside down cake. It's a two-step process. The first step, we're going to start with building our pineapple layer, and then we'll whip the cake together and pour it on top and cook it. So first step is you take a 1/4 cup of butter that's melted and you dump it in your pan. We will sprinkle on top of that a full cup of packed brown sugar. Then we'll start layering our pineapples in. So let me spread this around and we'll get back. Okay, once we got the butter spread in there, we're gonna sprinkle the full cup of sugar around the entire thing. Okay, now that we've got the sugar down, now we get to lay out the pineapples. So you make whatever pattern you think is appropriate. You can make things crazy, make something fun. Okay, once you have your pineapples down, you can start adding the cherries. Kind of little highlights in there. Okay, now that we've got our pan prepared, we can start in on the cake mix. The cake mix has 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we'll mix that together. Once we mixed our dry ingredients, now we can start on the wet ingredients. So for that, we have 1 cup of butter, 4 eggs, 1½ cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So when you're making the batter, you start by creaming your butter and sugar together. Then we'll add in the eggs and the milk. And when we're done with that, the vanilla, and we mix in the dry ingredients. We've creamed the butter and sugar. I'm gonna beat the eggs and then we'll pour it in. I'm gonna pour in the eggs and the milk and the vanilla. All right, we'll give that a good mix and then we'll add in the dry ingredients. All right, now we'll start adding the dry ingredients in. Add a little bit at a time. Mix it in. All right, now our batter's all mixed up and we'll pour it in here. You should have your oven set at 350 degrees. So it's ready to go. All right, so cake is ready to go in the oven. We'll put it in at 350. We'll keep an eye on it. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. Once the cake is done, you want to take it, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then turn it out. If you let it cool completely, you'll end up having all of your goodies stuck to the paper. It's cooled for 10 minutes. I'm going to add a little pineapple juice to it to give it a little more flavor, and then we'll flip it out. Before I flip it out, I am cutting around the edges to loosen it up, just to make sure nothing's sticking. The big reveal. Ta-da!